Consider a problem. We have a machine learning model, say W transpose X, which is scoring a set of samples and giving you some confidence of how good or bad is with respect to the concept that we have used for learning W. A good example to relate to is retrieval. If you are retrieving a set of documents, or if you are retrieving a set of, say, speech samples or image samples from a large corpus based on some query, and we have a model which is learned to score them and retrieve them. Now, what we are interested is in how good is our retrieval system. A popular way of measuring the quality of such a retrieval is with the help of measures like precision and recall. Precision is defined as, if you look at the related documents and the retrieved one, let us look at the intersection of it. So this tells you what percentage or what part of the retrieved ones are related divided by the retrieved ones. And let us take cardinality on numerator and denominator. It's a size, it's a ratio. We get a number which is in the range of 0 to 1. Similarly, recall is, the numerator is exactly the same, related and retrieved by the related. Look at the difference in the denominator. So recall is defined with respect to all the related document that could be there in the database. See, like when you search on Google, you don't know recall because you don't know what are the related answers that Google has. What you know is only among the ones that I could see, what percentage is actually correct. That's a precision. You can also define as the precision at, say, K. For example, when I look at only the K top answers, what is the precision? And very often that is what really matters. You want to see your answers in the top on the first page. So you have seen two different measures, precision and recall, and there is a way of playing with these two. So if you look at the score W transpose X, you are making a decision. If I will retrieve if W transpose X is greater than theta. So what should be the value of theta? When you change theta, you start to see that there is a trade-off between precision and recall. So if you want high precision with low recall, you can adjust theta such that you show only very small number and they are highly accurate. Or if you want high recall, you show more, but your precision could be low. So this trade-off between precision and recall is usually captured with the help of a new measure that is called F-score. This is precision into recall to precision into recall by precision plus recall. Of course, there is a F beta and a number of variations of this. Another way to measure the quality as a single scalar score is with the help of a precision recall curve. So you look at the precision for various values of recall and plot, and then look at the area under that curve. That is called average precision, or popularly known as AP. So these measures like precision, recall, F-score and AP gets used in retrieval setting, and nowadays they are also getting used in a number of large scale evaluations of classification.